So it's unboxing time of our new LED 800 and LED 600. So let's unbox this together. I bought this for over a week now, but I haven't had the time to unbox it. I've been waiting for the right time to unbox it with you. So today let's unbox these two LED lights. Okay, so where are we going to start from? Let's start from the smaller one, then to the bigger one. Alright, let's go there. Okay, let's drop this. So this is LED 600 Pro, LED 600 Pro. Okay, opening the carton. In this carton, what do we have? First thing here is the charger. This is the charger. Okay, let's keep it over here. And okay, this is the, okay, let's see what's here. Okay, this is also the charger. Come together. This is the charger and it comes together, right? Oh, what next we have? Okay, it comes with two battery. Comes with two battery. This is how it looks like. Comes with two battery. Then this is the charger for the battery. The charger for the battery. Okay, that former one, it was the. This is the plug. Okay, this is the plug that you connect to electricity to power on the LED lights, and this is the charger for the battery. Yes, for the battery. Okay, this is what you use to hold the lights and the tripods together. Yeah, I think that's what it's used for. Yes. And this is the LED 600. LED 600 Pro. Yeah, this is how it is. This is how it is. We'll be fixing it on the tripod. Let's see how bright it is. But before that, let's unbox the LED 800. Right? Okay, so let's keep this. Guys. Let's move on to. This is LED 800 Pro. This is LED 800 Pro. Then I'm going to start from. Let's start from the charger again. Okay, comes with the charger. Yeah. Oh wow, this is the charger together. Comes with the charger, the plug, and the charger together. It powers the LED light. You connect it to the electricity, just like I said before. This is the charger for the battery. It comes with two battery also. Two battery. Let's separate this particular one. And it also comes with something like a clip that you use to clip the what's it called? Tripod stand and the lights together. And it also comes with, okay, last here is the lights. This is the LED 800 Pro. LED 800 Pro. LED 800 Pro. They all have their functions. Yeah, there's a reason I bought two. They all have their functions. I'm using one as the key light, and I'm using another as the backlight. I already have a ring light before, so ring light can serve as maybe a field light, but this will serve as the key light. Right, so this is LED 800. So what we are going to do right now, we're going to test the light to see how bright it is. I'm going to close all the doors, the windows. Right now there's no lights, there's no NEPA light, so what we just have is sunlight. So I'm going to close the doors, the windows, and see how bright this is. Let's go there. Before that, it also comes with a tripod. Yeah, two tripods for both lights. You join them together. Let me separate this. Oh my god. Okay, just be careful. Okay. Alright, so we have two tripods here. These are two tripods for both lights. gonna show you this. Alright, this is more smaller tripod. We use this for the LED 600. Funny enough, they gave me this one for the LED 800. Can you imagine? And this is a more bigger one, and they gave me this for the LED 600. You see, but I'm going to be using it for the LED 800. Oh my! So, are they the same? Do you think they are the same? Check it out. Are they the same? Which one is more bigger? Which one is more smaller? Okay, let me open this one too. Okay, this is the height. Which one is more bigger? Which one is more smaller? Drop it in the comment section. Alright, so now we can test the lights. We can see how bright it is. Alright, so I've locked all the entrance of light into the room, and right now it seems so dark. I'm sure you can't see me. So I'll be putting on the lights. Let's see how bright it is. Alright, so just a minute. Let's go there. Wow, this is the just one light. This is our one light. You can see S-ray there. So let me balance the rays. Give me a minute. Okay, so this is just one light, and I'm using that as the background light, so you can see it putting more effect towards the background, right? Instead of me. So I'll be putting on the LED 600, the LED 800 rather. The LED 600 was used as the backlights. So let me put on the bigger one. Okay. Wow. So this is the LED 800. Perfect. The smaller one was used as the backlights, putting more effect towards the back. While the bigger one, I can't even, it's reflecting in my eyes right now. So you see, so bright. Content creation becomes so easy. The videos I posted on this platform before was shot with natural lights. Let's just maximize natural light. So sometimes when ideas just come, I don't need to wait for lights to be present, or I don't need to wait for the lights, right? I just shoot my content with natural light. I face directly the sun. But getting this, I can then shoot, because there are sometimes when the light is not, natural light is not too bright, right? Maybe rain is falling or something like that, and it will affect the reflection towards the room. So this will also help. And again, me taking my props to shoot other person's videos, because I do that for people, other content creators who want to shoot videos. I can also use my tools to go out and shoot them videos. So this is helping me and also helping my clients who calls me to shoot videos for them. So in content creation, it's just one step at a time. When I started, I didn't start with these things. As you can see, that's why I'm doing unboxing, so that you know that okay, it is. When I got my tripod stand a month or 2 months ago, I also did similar thing. I unboxed it, I posted it on my Facebook handle, right? Why did I do that? So that to also encourage other persons that content creation is a journey, it's a phase, and you just have to take it one step at a time. You don't need to have everything figured out. You don't need to have all the equipment. You just need to start from where you are. As you begin to do it over and over again, you begin to see it, or begin to know it better and more. By the time you start making money from it, or by the time you start making money from whatever other business you are doing, you can start investing in your props, right? So you just take it one step at a time, and I hope to see you at the top. So this is a win for us. Drop your congratulations in the comment section. If this is the first time you are watching my video, subscribe to this channel, because everything we do here is content creation and video editing, and it is just one step at a time, right? I love you.